Well, guys, I think winter's over. No more snow. It's like 60 degrees out and, no more snow. Yeah, so I got the 3 sleds lined up, 2 on pallets, and that one's not. So I gotta get some pallets for that. And, oh, that's right, I fixed this one. I rebuilt the engine at school, got a fresh top end, 2 brand new parts and limited pistons. I got a cylinder. This is the bad one. That one. I got some new cylinder, new pistons and stuff. So nothing to the bottom end, just the top end. Starts pretty good. Got some good compression. All my stuff works, and good stuff. Yeah, got her going good. Got some good compression, and it's all set for the season, except, it's kind of over. Yeah, that makes sense. Blow it up a month ago, and fixed it at the end of the month. And guess what? There was no more snow to try it out, and so I'm waiting for next year to break it in. Maybe even sell it. I have no idea. And my little brother's sled, Cat Cougar, Polaris Star 250, Cat Cougar 550, Skidoo Stratos 503. That doesn't work at the moment, but these 2 work, so it's all set. That's all I need, right? Yeah, I'll do one more startup, just to make you guys happy. Helps out the Keon, I guess,